what I'd love to hear from you all is how have you, what good things have come out of this? What has been something that has been that you've surprised yourself? I spoke earlier just about your resiliency and how we're not surprised at all that all of you are intact. And that's just because we know you and who you really are. But has there been anything for you that you've surprised yourself? It's been actually a positive thing amidst all of this. Anyone can start. Ronnie.
Okay, so the thing that I'm impressed about myself is become more independent, more confidence to using online conference. Like we start to Instagram Live and also sharing with the parents all around the Indonesian place from Zoom. Because some parents who keep their kids just stay at home, confused how to handle the kids, right? So we think that we want to help them, and we share how Rumah Tiara is until right now handling the kids. And also, I'm so impressed about our parents because before COVID, they don't believe themselves that they can handling the kids. But now, since May, we have a lot of positive report from the parents, and also from the educators too, that the parents proud themselves because they can handling the kids at home. And we also make a report from March until August because that's our semester. We make it different from the last term because we don't have a lot of data for taking how the kids going well from their home. So we make it into a what's notes, and also what's the positive that the parents do, and also what we want to change for the future. And that report make our parents cry because they don't expect that we will give them that report. So it makes me grateful. Thank you.
Amazing. Yeah. Pooja, what's something positive that has come out? We have a few questions as well, but we'll break up this question with these. Go ahead, Pooja.
Obviously, just like everyone else, telehealth has been a big advantage. We've had a lot of calls over the years with you, so it wasn't completely new, but training the staff and bringing them aboard was very good. It's something that we've been looking at, but we never had the push to do it. So I guess we can say it was the push to get that done. We've also been in connection with a lot of parents. We've seen a lot of parents working with the kids, which has also been nice. We live in a country where most of the kids are looked after caregivers because parents are both working and schedules and all those things. So that has been nice. I think those are the main things that we learned out of this. And obviously, we're learning that we are survivors. We're going to get out of this, the other side, way better than we went in. So, yeah.
Yeah, awesome. I love that. Yasser, how about you? What have you learned?
As I mentioned before, the reflection that were forced to us by this pandemic changed the way we perceive the organization Namai. We are now, the coronavirus forced us to look to a lot of areas in Namai that we were usually overlooked it. So now we look at Namai as a living organizations that need health, need growth, need to be taken care of, so it can take care of other people. And one more thing that we will use it for the next few years. Whenever we will feel that we have a lot of work, we have a lot of challenge, that will be nothing compared to coronavirus pandemic. So it will be always a motivator for us.
Yeah, that's a really good point. We were looking at last year, some of you remember, we had a travel agent snafu. And it was about this time last year that we realized that we had a challenge with our travel agent for our plane tickets for October. And it's like, I would give anything right now to have that be the biggest challenge in some ways. Like, that's so easy. So yeah, amazing.
You've been watching Autism Knows No Borders. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, we'd love to hear from you, so let us know what you think in the comments section. Click here to watch this interview in its entirety. You can also find us on your favorite podcast app. Tune in each week for engaging conversations of how people across the globe are inspiring change and building community. Thanks for watching. Take care.